welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you're new here. Today we are unboxing July's Ipsy unboxing. I'm super excited for this month. I did get a little bit spoiled, but not too much, so I'm still excited to dive in and show you guys what I got in my box this month. So if you're not yet following me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these videos, and also leave a comment below saying hello. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump in and get started. So it was sent in a box. Quite a bit of stuff in here. So as always, it comes with one of these. This says we're planning the Great Escape. This is really cute. I love the theme. Good vibes landing. A great self-care routine is like a vacation to prioritize and make you feel amazing this summer. Play, dress up, unplug. So first I'm just gonna start with this little goodie bag. If you haven't gotten any of the My Refreshments products, they're amazing. I'm pretty sure that's what's in here because of the bag here, because My Refreshments, their colors are pretty much these colors, and the bag that I've received before came just like this. So we do have, we have a Refreshments Dazzling 5-blade razor kit. I'm very excited for this because my razor is dull. So I'm just gonna open it up here and show you guys. Comes with some stickers. They're holographic and cute. And then the razor, it's just super cute summery vibes. And then they also sent over their pillowy shave cream, which is my personal favorite. I haven't liked another one since I've tried this one. And then it did come with their little refreshments paper on how it works, about their products. But if you've seen my other videos, I always say how much I love my refreshments, so I do highly recommend them. Alright, now I'm gonna jump into this little goodie. Oh, look at this, guys! We have another one of these cute bags. So first we have this blending brush. It's very opalescent. It's from Toy Factory. It's the B9 blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys so you can see the actual bristles. This brush is stunning. I'm literally in love with this thing. It's so beautiful. It's like a crystal, and then it's really, really smooth. I feel like this is gonna be such a good blending brush. Alright, next we have a little mini palette here. This is from Lottie London. I always think their palettes are so stinking cute. They're good for travels. They're a little mini, and honestly, I don't use too much eyeshadow, so I like a little mini palette. But this is a really, really cute one. I feel like I would definitely use all of these colors. Usually in those bigger eye palettes, I end up wasting a lot of the colors because they're just not shades that work for me. This one here is really cute. These are like all of my go-to colors for like my everyday makeup looks. Moving on, we have some e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I have not tried e.l.f. primers yet, but I've heard good things. I like to use some of e.l.f. their eyeliners, and then forever back in the day, I like bought their whole, they did like a Little Mermaid collab, and I just had to have them all. So this is their Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide. I'm just gonna plump it on here and try and see how it feels, because I was actually really curious about e.l.f. primers. Oh, it's very kind of sticky feeling. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for 30 seconds because as of right now, it's very sticky feeling and I don't like this. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, so it's been about 30 seconds and it still feels really sticky. This is not for me. I don't like this feeling at all, but maybe their other primers are better. I mean, and maybe it's really good when you apply makeup on, but sometimes, you know, no, this is just not doing it for me. Now my whole thing, like, I feel really sticky and, okay, not a favorite product there. Next we have this Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster French Clay Mask. I've used one of their other masks. I wish I could remember off the top of my head which one it was, but it was pretty good and I took it on one of my vacations, so it was really helpful. But this one is pore defining, smoothing, firming, tightening, and clarifying. It is fragrance free and pH balanced, so I'm excited to give this one a try. And I wonder if it's the same color as this bottle. I don't know if you guys have seen like those, that little like aqua blue mask. Oh no, this one's white. It's like a creamy white consistency. But I thought for sure it would be like the same color as the bottle. That would have been really cool. And last but not least, we have this last product in here. This is a liquid kohl water resistant liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna give this a try when I have a mermaid party. If you don't know, I do mermaid performing. I do birthday parties, festivals, many different events, but I'm excited to see how this goes underwater because it is water resistant, and I usually use like Stila eyeliners, so I'm excited to give this a go. This is from, it is Seraphine Botanicals. I've never heard of them, but I'm excited to give it a go. It also has a thick felt tip. But I will let you guys know on my stories. And that is all for what's inside this super cute bag. Now we're just gonna go ahead and dive into the box, which is super cute, by the way. Look at the colors. I love how pastel and pretty. I'm just gonna keep the box for fun, but it's so cute. Oh, it's even pretty on the inside. Cute. All right, so first we have this Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser from Rodial. This is a nice size cleanser. All right, I did have to turn my brightness down a little bit because my camera was definitely letting the natural light just let me glow. So I'm hoping that this video is not super blown out. Oh, goodness. Okay, next product. We have this Verb Ghosting Exfoliator Nectar. I like Verb products. Everything I've tried from them so far, so good. So, okay, so it's a hair serum. Ooh, this is gonna be really nice for summer. Pat dry hair into sections, apply directly to the scalp and massage. Leave in for 10 minutes and rinse well. I was really hoping this was a leave-in treatment, but I'm excited to give this a try because lately I've been having some itchy and dryness on my scalp. I don't know if it's from like previous products, but I'm excited to give this a try. All right, next we have this Natasha Denona palette. It's another eyeshadow palette here. It is in a unique box, so the shades are really pretty, but I don't think this is for me at all. So I'll probably just give this away to a family member. I mean, the shades are really pretty though. Also, this one is actually broken, but I will come up close and show you guys. All right, next we have some Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. I've been needing brow gel very bad, so I cannot wait to try this. If I had a mirror, I would put it on right now. And last but not least, we have this Lip and Cheek Multi-Stick from Lucky Chick. I actually really love these kinds of products. So this is pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it here. Oh, it's very pink. But I feel like this will blend out really nice with a beauty blender. And that is all for this unboxing. There wasn't like last month. Wait, no, I definitely missed last month, but it was the month before last month where there was so much good stuff. Like, that has to be my favorite box. They do have some winners here, but overall, I think the month of May was definitely my favorite so far this year. Let me know what you guys thought below in the comments if you've received your Ipsy box and what you like most that you got this month. Thank you so much for watching, and again, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you liked about this video and what other videos you'd like me to make. Thanks for watching!